Welcome back to another tutorial. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. Please, if you love what I do, please subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see all your YouTube subscribers, both old and new. It's going to be a short one, so just stick with me. So on your Chrome browser, just search for studio.youtube.com. The link is going to be in the description box. So we're going to search for studio.youtube.com and it's going to take you to the YouTube Creator Studio. This is where you're going to see all your subscribers easily. We're in our Creator Studio and all you have to do is come down here where you can see recent subscribers. You can see where my cursor is showing right now. So that's where you're going to find your recent subscribers. So I'm going to zoom in and you're just going to click on see all. Now this is where you're going to see all your recent subscribers. Under the date here, if you want to see your older subscribers, you can just come and change this from 90 days to lifetime, and you can see all your subscribers from the onset of your channel to this very moment. But take note that you can only see users who have their subscription public. So if your subscribers have it on private, you can't see them. So the only subscribers you can see is those who have theirs on public. I hope this helps you. This is a very quick one. Please click the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.